This road looks like it came out of a storybook. It disappears into tunnels, reappears in the rain, and turns greener with every mile. Everyone says it leads to Goa. But right now, it feels like the journey itself is the destination. So I'm watching every turn. The sun is already awake when we start. It peeks from behind the bridge as our car moves forward, and warm light slips in through the window. I lean closer, letting the wind touch my face. Morning feels different when you're on the road. Quieter, softer, like the day hasn't decided what it wants to be yet. For a moment, everything goes dark. The tunnel swallows us, and the sound changes. It feels strange, but not scary. And just like that, the light returns. The sun finds us again, as if it never left. Something about the drive makes me laugh. Maybe it's the rhythm of the road, maybe it's the way everyone feels relaxed today. And then we turn towards the Thol Kamat restaurant for breakfast. Trees everywhere. Open space. Fresh air. This place feels like it was made for resting, for people, for cars, for little legs that want to move. I spot swings and slides and forget about the journey for a while. Up and down on the swing, the sky feels closer. The slide rushes past faster than the highway did. I wish roads had playgrounds more often. A friendly dog comes by, not loud, just curious, like he's seen many travelers come and go. We look at each other quietly before he moves on, probably guarding another story. Inside, everyone settles down. Plates arrive. Smells fill the air before food does. I don't know the names, but I know this feeling, waiting for something good. Baba pours mango juice into cups, mango that came from home. Even though we're far away now, home is still traveling with us, mixed gently into everything. We're back on the highway again. The sky opens wide, valleys slip past below, and the car hums steadily. I sip water and let my eyes rest. Somewhere between turns and conversations, I fall asleep without realizing it. When I wake up, the road is still there, still moving. I look around and wonder quietly if we've reached. Mama smiles and says not yet. That's okay. I eat my banana slowly while Mama tastes jamon and sour mango. She likes them both. Waiting feels easier with snacks. We stop once more. Baba says this is Prasad Uncle's favorite place on this road, a place he never skips. I look around from my seat, taking in the colors, the lights, the decorations. I tug at Nani's arm, curious about what will come next, hoping she understands without me saying much. Noodles arrive, and I focus completely. Long, slippery strands, eaten carefully, seriously. Outside, palm trees sway in the wind and a red bus passes by, carrying its own journey somewhere else. In the parking area, I run. Mama chases. I laugh louder. She almost catches me. Almost. These small chases feel as important as reaching any destination. Then something changes. We leave the main highway, and the road becomes quieter, greener. Farms appear, trees lean closer, and the drive slows down. It feels like the road itself knows we're getting near. Rain begins softly, tapping on the windshield. The world outside turns shiny and new. Inside the car, it's warm. I nibble on leftover noodles while rain washes everything clean, as if preparing the way ahead. Water flows down the mountains at Amboliga. The road glistens, and everything looks fresh and alive. The lake at Sawantwadi sits calmly, holding so much water without a sound, like it's waiting for the sea nearby. A train crosses in front of us, full of windows and stories. We pause, let it pass, and then continue. Villages follow, red roofs, green fields, quiet lives unfolding slowly. I like how peaceful everything feels here. I reach forward and pull Baba's hair. He pretends to protest, but I know this game. We've played it before. Laughter fills the car again. A cow turns her head as we pass, nodding gently, her mouth moving as if she's saying something. Maybe goodbye. Maybe come again. I like to think she's wishing us well. Finally, we cross the bridge. Water stretches below us, and something new waits on the other side. Maharashtra stays behind, quietly, and without any big announcement, Goa begins. Thank you for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. And please like, share and subscribe to Prasad Uncle's channel.